Since we covered text boxes earlier in this course, a lot has changed in Noteful. First up, text box padding. You now have proper padding around your text, which basically means there is breathing space between your words and the edge of the text box. You can also adjust the sharpness of your corners from sharp, perfect rectangles all the way to fully rounded corners. Both padding and corner radius use a simple 0 to 100 scale, so it's very easy to fine-tune the look you want. Now let's talk about line spacing. You can now control how much space there is between each line of text. By default, Noteful sets this to automatic, but if you turn that off, you get full control. This means you can make your text look tighter and more compact, or give it some extra space for a cleaner layout. It's all up to your preference and the kind of note you're building. Now for something that a lot of users have been waiting for: lists. Noteful now supports both numbered and unnumbered lists. Numbered lists are simple for now. You only get one numbering style, but you can still create multiple levels, which is great for outlining steps or hierarchies. For bullet points though, you get 3 different bullet styles as you add levels to your lists. Adjusting the indentation for list levels is super smooth. And you can also mix your bullets and numbering. And that's not all. You can now save your favorite text and text box styles. The app comes with 3 default styles. But you can customize and save your own. So once you found the perfect look, maybe a specific font size, padding, background color, or rounded corner style, just save it. And give it a name. That's your own personal preset. From your list of favorites, you can even pick one to use as your default style. So every new text box you add will automatically match your chosen design. You can rename your save style, update them to save the style of the text box you have selected at that moment, delete them, or reset them back to the defaults whenever you want. And the best part, you can decide what your style affects. Both the text and box, the text only, or just the text box alone. Noteful labels these clearly so you always know what you're applying. Altogether, these updates make text boxes in Noteful feel more polished, more flexible, and much more fun to work with.